Hold on, don't put your finger there.
See your target down there?
Yeah. Right.
See the red dot?
It's on it.
Okay, so what you're going to do, I'm going to flip you to fire. Move your thumb a little. Now you're going to put gentle pressure on the trigger with your index finger. And it'll go when it's ready. Woo! You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ow. Oh,
There you go.
That's good.
Okay.
Did you?
Sometimes there are echoes.
Okay. 1, 2, can I?
Yep, go.
It's hard to pull the trigger.
Nice.
Oh.
Now you know what the trigger... Does that feel like ultimate power?
He laughs.
Wow. Alright.
Hey, Dad. Did you? It's not as loud. Hey, can I shoot?
Mason, just hold on.
That is an